Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the second tutorial for Bootstrap beginners. Today in this tutorial we discuss on the topic is what is Bootstrap, why we use Bootstrap and advantages of Bootstrap. What we discuss on today? Today we are mainly discuss on the three topics. What is Bootstrap? What is responsive design? And why we use Bootstrap? First of all, I am going to topic. I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies also. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you want to get my latest updates, compulsory you can subscribe my channel. Okay guys, I am going to topic. First of all, I am explaining what is Bootstrap. What is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a open source framework. What is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a open source free front-end framework. Bootstrap is a open source free front-end framework. It can be easily available in the internet. Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for faster and easier web development purpose. What is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is free front-end framework for faster and easier to web development process. Bootstrap includes HTML and CSS based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, tables, navigations, modals. So these are included in the Bootstrap. Bootstrap also gives you the Bootstrap also gives you the ability to easily create responsive designs. Bootstrap also gives to the responsive designs. What is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a free front-end framework for a faster and easier web development purpose. Bootstrap includes HTML and CSS based design templates like typography, forms, buttons, tables, navigation, models. These are included in the Bootstrap. Bootstrap also gives you the ability to easily create responsive designs. So second one is what is responsive web design? Suppose we can open responsive websites. Suppose I am open this application. We can see this is the mobile view. It can be automatically responsive. It will automatically adjust the width also, adjust the width and styles also. This is the desktop mode. What is responsive web design? Responsive web design is about creating websites which automatically adjust themselves to look good on all devices from smartphones to larger desktops. Responsive web design means it looking good from smartphones to larger desktops also. Small phones are larger desktops also. And third one, why we use Bootstrap. Responsive web design. Responsive web design is about creating websites which automatically adjust themselves to look good all devices from smartphones to larger desktops. And third one is why we use Bootstrap. Easy to use. Anybody have just knowledge of HTML and CSS, you can easily start the Bootstrap also. Responsive features. Bootstrap responsive CSS adjusts phones, tablets, and desktops. Bootstrap responsive CSS adjusts phones, tablets, and desktops. Responsive features, it includes responsive features also. And mobile first approach. In Bootstrap 3, mobile first styles are part of the core framework. In Bootstrap framework also includes the mobile styles also. Browser compatibility. Bootstrap is compatible with all modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Edge, Safari, and Opera. Total, these modern web browsers are compatible with Bootstrap. So this is about the Bootstrap. I hope guys we all understand what is Bootstrap and what is responsive design and why we use Bootstrap. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, AngularJS, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Completely free web tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please support me. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.